Welcome back. Tonight is just a very simple, easy, prepared, pre-prepped dinner from our prepper's kitchen. And of course, everything I'm using came from lost leader sales or they were on sale, the items themselves. So I have everything laid out that we need. I'm gonna need a little bit of flour. These noodles are to die for. We buy these at Home Goods. They're from Italy. They're egg and wheat. That's it, nothing else included. No harsh chemicals to change anything. It's just the wheat and the eggs. Great noodles. And that's Koji's dinner. Pre-packaged, pre-made also. And I've got our strawberries for dessert. I've got mushrooms from the freezer. I have got carrots from the freezer, cream cheese from the freezer, and chicken boneless breast from the freezer. Everything that you see here is going to cost for dinner for 2 people less than $2. Can you believe it? But it's true. So come along as I make this fantastic, simple dinner. Because it's already prepped, there's virtually no cleanup. I love living my life like this. Come along, let's get started out. And we're gonna sprinkle it with Worcestershire. So I'm just gonna go through the motions, play some lovely, relaxing music, silence myself, and you're gonna watch. Thanks. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like. Let's get going. real simple, quick, easy, delicious dinner right from your pantry, right to your table for under $2 to feed 2 people. Isn't that beautiful? And of course, Koji's dinner. Homemade pork, carrots, and rice. So let's give this a taste. This absolutely looks fabulous. Smells good. Bit of mushroom, chicken, and noodle. Wow. Give this a try in your own kitchen. Spice it the way you like. You can't go wrong. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Till next time, bon appetit. No apologies. You do you, boo.